Hi there. This is Rihanna, right?
Hi, the film festival.
Yeah, I did it. Okay, so here you go right, and everything starts right here into the theater.
Okay, thank you so much. Hi, I made it. Hi, I made it.
Oh,
I was stuck in traffic.
Brandon,
Thank you so
so
much.
were we.
Everybody's
Ah. Hi guys, we made it.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Yeah.
All right, hello everyone. Bonjour à tous, and welcome to the opening night of the Emerging Lens Cultural Film Festival. And on behalf of the Canadian Museum of Immigration of Pier 21, I would like to welcome you all here this evening. My name is Tatsunari Watanabe, and I'm the Public Programs and Community Engagement Coordinator here at the museum. I'm speaking to you from Tuktuk Mi'kmaq, the land of the Mi'kmaq. The Mi'kmaq are the first people of Nova Scotia. For thousands of years, they have lived in Mi'kmaq, the territory encompassing Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, eastern and northern parts of New Brunswick, the Gaspé Peninsula of Quebec, and communities in Newfoundland and Maine. The Mi'kmaq have shared this unceded homeland with 52 historic Black communities and other immigrant communities for more than 400 years. All residents of Canada are part of the historical and legal relationships between Canada and Indigenous people. I know you must be looking forward to tonight's films, so I won't waste too much of your time, and we'll hand the mic over to Shelley Fashion, a filmmaker in her own right, who will be acting as your MC for this evening, and who is also a co-founder with Tara Taylor of the Emerging Lens Cultural Film Festival. Shall we?
Thank you, and welcome to the 14th Annual Emerging Lens Cultural Film Festival, everyone. So good to see you all. Thank you for supporting it. Okay, I would like to, at this moment in time, take a moment and introduce Augy Jones. Augy Jones is the Executive Director of the Office of African Nova Scotian Affairs, and he was able to take some time to be with us tonight and give us greetings. Thank you, Augy.
So I obviously have something written for me from the Nova Scotia government, but I do want to say, for me, being the son of Rocky and Joan Jones, and also, being here up here 21, which is about diversity and people coming to Canada and living in Canada, I think that this film festival exuberates that. This sense of hearing other people's stories. And I've never been in a museum like this far in it. And I got here early and was walking around. It's amazing, and it's telling stories. And so I think that this is what the film festival is about. So Tara and group, thank you so much for that. That's off script. I'll go on script. It's both an honor and a privilege to stand before you tonight on behalf of African Nova Scotian Affairs and our Minister Twyla Gross for the 14th Annual Emerging Lens Cultural Film Festival. As we gather under the banner of creativity, storytelling, and cultural exploration, I'm reminded of the immense power that film holds in bridging gaps, breaking down barriers, and fostering a deeper understanding of diverse experiences. Nova Scotia has a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty that serves as an ideal backdrop for this event that celebrates the power of human spirit through the lens of emerging filmmakers. These talented filmmakers bring their unique voices and perspectives, enriching our cultural fabric and inviting us to view the world through their eyes. Tonight, we are not just audience members. We are participants in a global conversation that challenges us to reflect, to learn, and to grow. We are attentive clients of wonderful storytellers. The Emerging Lens Cultural Film Festival stands as a testament to the power of art to inspire, change, and challenge our perspectives. As we embark on this cinematic journey together, let us celebrate not only the stories that will unfold on screen, but also the shared human experience that brings us together tonight. May the films we watch provoke thought, evoke emotion, and inspire action, reminding us of our shared responsibility to foster a world where every voice is heard, every culture is celebrated, and every story is valued. To everyone involved in bringing this festival to life, the organizers, filmmakers, volunteers, I do extend my deepest gratitude. Your passion, dedication, and hard work have created a space for art and culture to flourish, where dialogue is encouraged and where communities are strengthened. And thank you to the audience for being here tonight, supporting the performers, and to embrace the transforming power of film. Thank you, and enjoy tonight and the rest of the festival.
Thank you so much, Augy. Can I have that speech? I love that, right? I want to use that. Anyway, just to say that we are so inspired by the new group of films we see every year. There's always something new and something wonderful to take in. Before we begin, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors because they support us in what we do. And I also want to acknowledge our team because our team is a small team but a very effective team. And that is Tara, Carmen, Kayla, Brandon, Victoria, and me. So, just note to of our sponsors. Hold on, I gotta see the page. I don't want to forget anybody. The Black Business Initiative, the Government of Nova Scotia, Access, Real Canada, the Canadian Museum of Immigration, and Pier 21, which have supported us through the years. And they're just such gracious hosts. Thank you. And the Halifax Regional Libraries, because we do screenings on Friday night at the libraries. And there again, the libraries are not open. They open just for us for that night. So we get a lot of help with this. And I guess that's all I really need to say before I introduce our performer. His name is Ko. He's a singer-songwriter, producer, and a lot of other different things, multi-talented. So at this moment in time, just enjoy Ko.
How's everybody doing tonight? Like I said, I go by the name of Ko. Trying to make it last. Whoa! Halifax, how y'all feeling? Make some noise to yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. You can find my music on all streaming platforms. How y'all feeling, y'all? Hey, what's the vibes?
Mayor vibes.
Yeah, man. You like Afro beats and affirmations in the core, yeah. I like everybody to get up with me for a second. Let's all get out of our seats. I know we're here to watch a movie and, catch some vibes, but let's get the blood flowing. A little two-step, a little, Yes, sir. Hey, hey, hey. That's it, baby. Move, baby. One move to the side. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all ready to have a good time tonight or what?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that was so much fun.
Got some moves.
Oh, thank you, Ko. I can't do all the mean, no. Those days are done. But thank you so much. It was just so enjoyable. Everyone enjoy it, So I guess we're gonna calm down. Some movies. Thank you.
Congratulations to Real Canada and for having our film and my film as a part of the program. Canadian cinema has really inspired me and moved me over the years, and I'm so grateful and honored to be a part of this industry and to have my film Brother show as part of the National Film Day. So thank you so much for coming, and I hope you enjoy the film.
We would normally have an artist dialogue. However, Clement and his actors in this film are all on set. I hope everyone enjoyed the film. And right now, I think Victoria is going to
Hey everyone, I've already drawn the winner, so somebody here maybe That's what people leave.
So the winner is a ticket ending in 1750.
Oh my god, that's me.
Is it Karen? Oh, congratulations, Karen. Thanks everybody for coming. We have 3 more nights.
3 more nights.
3 more door prizes, so.
And 30 films online.
Yes. So tomorrow
Only
night
Nova
we're at the
Scotia.
Sanctuary in Dartmouth, and that starts at 6:30 there as well. Please join us if you can. And then Friday we're at the North Branch Halifax Memorial Library, and we close Saturday night at the Black Cultural Center. So thank you again. Thanks for coming along.